Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Texstudio package is not available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so you can install it via importing ppa repo by running next command. Run the following command to reflect on ppa. Then install Texstudio by running next command. You can access it by searching system search bar or by icon. Texstudio will be launched. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.